This is the SIAVIALA laptop extender, and right out of the box, this feels so premium and well put together with this really nice, soft carry case to keep this thing protected when on the go or when you just want to store it away or throw it in a bag. This thing extends to fit whatever laptop you are using. It opens up with the monitor screen on the right and the laptop clips on the left. And once it's clipped on there, it is sturdy there. It ain't going anywhere. The stand on the back as well rotates to the right angle depending on the device you are using. There is 3 different cables that comes with this. USB-C to USB-C, USB-C to USB-A, and HDMI to USB-C. This is a 14-inch display, 60Hz, 1920 by 1080p full HD, and using this with my iPad to extend the display really does heighten my workflow. No matter what I am doing, it boosts my productivity and multitasking efficiently even more with this setup. From connecting my MacBook, working away, writing up a script, to then catching up with some Apple TV on the second display while I work away on my main display. This also has its own built-in speakers as well that does sound pretty good. You can also adjust the angle of the monitor depending on where you want it to be, and this is one of the slimmest monitors out there at 4.5 millimeters thick and 1.3 pounds. With its simple plug and play method, and that's it, you're good to go. And no more switching and having a cluttered screen full of open apps and tabs. And this just completely blew me away even more when I realized that I could hook up my PlayStation 5 to use this as a standalone monitor that you can take anywhere with you. You can connect your iPad, MacBook, mirror your iPhone, and even using it as a standalone monitor to game on. This offers 3 different modes: extend, mirror, and portrait. And for the most part, I use extend mode to get things done, but man, portrait mode looks so good to use, and I've often found myself in what I am calling gaming mode, using this as a stand-alone monitor.